None of me is HUWAEI Matepad 10.4 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data to this tablet. First of all, go into settings and choose biometrics and password. Now you need to select face recognition over here, enter your current login method and choose unlock device. Then click on get started and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can name your face profile however you wish to over here and select the done. When I go back, turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see. Face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!